Looking for an amazing day out in Oslo? Then jump on board the Oslo Metro, also known as the Holmenkollen line, for a 40-minute scenic trip to Frognerseteren. For an extra stop along the way, why not stop off at Holmenkollen, home to Oslo's famous Olympic ski jump. On the train, continue a ride up where you'll step out into the crisp fresh air and take in the best panoramic views of the city. Here you can warm up with some traditional Norwegian food at the historic Frognerseteren restaurant. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, rent a toboggan for the ultimate winter thrill. Kortrekkeren run is over 2 kilometers long, and the ride down is fast, fun and totally awesome, and it's just like being 12 years old again. The best part? Just hop back on the train and do it all over again. So, whether you're here for the views or just the food or the adrenaline rush, this trip is a must-do in Oslo. So grab your ticket, sit back and enjoy the ride.